Hi everyone, welcome to the Key Motor Center. Today I am going to show you how to start a motor engine which wasn't used for a long period. I am sure one of you to have a motor engine like this at home. Please follow all the safety measures, better you try this at home. Step number 1. Cleaning air filter is the most important thing, because it could have plenty of dust in between since it wasn't started for a while. Step number 2. Need to check the compression. For doing this process, you have to keep your finger on the spark plug hole and try to start your motorcycle. If you can feel the compression, that is enough to start your engine. If you don't feel the pressure while doing kickstart, then you have to do an engine head repair manually. Step number 3. Checking the ignition coil and wiring system is very important for the particular process. After that, if it sparks, means everything is working order. If not, you have to check the whole wiring system. In order to do this, you may have to remove the petrol tank. And you have to change the old oil into the new oil. Step number 4. If I were you, I would not use a petrol tank to supply the fuel because of the rustness of the tank. Instead, I would use an external fuel link for the supply. It is always important to send some fuel out before starting the engine, as this may help to drain out all the dirt stuck in the carburetor. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck.